Neville Goddard believed that the power of prayer could be harnessed to manifest one's deepest desires. Central to his teachings was the understanding that imagination and feeling were crucial in the process of creating our reality. In this video, we will delve into Neville Goddard's preferred method of prayer, exploring the key principles and techniques he advocated for achieving manifestation. By following his guidance, you can unlock the potential within you to manifest whatever you desire in life. The video is going to be super detailed and interesting, so watch this video till the end, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Let's dive in. Neville Goddard emphasized the importance of imagination in the manifestation process. He believed that our imagination is the bridge between the unseen realm of possibilities and the physical world. To begin, find a quiet space where you can relax and focus your attention. Close your eyes and vividly imagine your desired outcome. Engage all your senses and immerse yourself in the experience. Feel the emotions associated with your desire as if it has already manifested. According to Goddard, this technique helps to impress upon your subconscious mind the reality of your desire, thereby attracting it into your life. He also introduced the concept of the state akin to sleep as a powerful tool to aid in the manifestation process. This state refers to a condition of deep relaxation and receptivity, where the conscious mind becomes quiet and the subconscious mind becomes more accessible. By entering this state, you can impress your desires upon the subconscious, allowing them to take root and manifest in your physical reality. To enter the state akin to sleep, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and quiet your mind. As you breathe, focus your attention on the sensation of relaxation spreading through each part of your body, from your head to your toes. As you continue to relax, imagine yourself descending deeper and deeper into a state of profound peace and calmness. Visualize a gentle staircase or an elevator taking you down, step by step, into a serene inner realm. With each step or floor, you feel yourself becoming more relaxed, detached from the outer world, and attuned to your inner being. Once you have reached this state of deep relaxation, you are ready to engage in the manifestation process. Begin by mentally revisiting your desired outcome. Picture it in vivid detail, as if it is happening in the present moment. Engage all your senses, imagining the sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and textures associated with your desire. As you visualize your desired reality, infuse it with strong emotions. Feel the joy, excitement, and fulfillment that would accompany the realization of your desires. Allow yourself to experience the emotions as if your desire has already manifested. The key is to generate intense feelings of gratitude and appreciation for the fulfillment of your desires, as though they are already a tangible part of your life. While in the state akin to sleep, you can also use affirmations to reinforce your intentions. Select a short, powerful statement that encapsulates the essence of your desire. For example, if you seek a loving relationship, you might affirm, "I am deeply loved and cherished in a fulfilling partnership." Repeat this affirmation silently or aloud, infusing it with conviction and belief. Goddard emphasized the importance of feeling the truth of your affirmation as you repeat it. Immerse yourself in the experience of already having what you desire. Allow the emotions of love, happiness, and gratitude to well up within you as if your affirmation is an undeniable reality. Spend several minutes in this state, fully immersed in the experience of your desired reality. As you gradually come out of the state akin to sleep, carry the emotions and beliefs with you into your daily life. Act as if your desires have already been fulfilled, making choices and taking actions aligned with the reality you wish to manifest. It is worth noting that the state akin to sleep can be accessed not only before sleep, but also during meditation or moments of relaxation throughout the day. The more you practice entering this receptive state, the easier it becomes to manifest your desires. Another vital aspect of Neville Goddard's method is the concept of living from the end. This means mentally and emotionally occupying the state of having already achieved your desire. Instead of constantly desiring and yearning for your goal, you shift your focus to experiencing the feelings of having already attained it. Imagine the scenes and conversations that would occur in your life if your desire were already fulfilled. This technique aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you wish to manifest, bringing it closer to fruition. He emphasized the transformative practice of living from the end as a powerful method to manifest your desires. This technique involves shifting your perspective and consciously embodying the state of having already achieved your desired outcome. By living from the end, you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the reality you wish to manifest, bringing it closer to fruition. To begin, clearly define your desired outcome and envision it as if it has already been accomplished. Imagine the scenes and conversations that would occur in your life if your desire were already fulfilled. Engage your imagination to create a vivid mental picture of your desired reality. As you immerse yourself in this mental imagery, allow yourself to truly feel the emotions associated with your desired outcome. Feel the joy, excitement, gratitude, and fulfillment that would naturally arise from having achieved what you desire. The key is to generate and sustain these emotions within you, as they are powerful magnets for manifesting your desires. Throughout your day, make a conscious effort to live from the end. This means embodying the thoughts, feelings, and actions of the person who has already attained their desires. For example, if your desire is a successful career, begin to adopt the mindset and behaviors of someone already successful in your chosen field. Make decisions, take action, and hold conversations as if you are already living the reality you desire. Maintain a positive and unwavering belief in the fulfillment of your desires. Trust that the universe is working in your favor and that your desired outcome is on its way to manifesting. Release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may arise and replace them with affirmations and positive statements that support your vision. As you live from the end, be open and receptive to the opportunities and synchronicities that arise in your life. Pay attention to the signs and guidance that come your way, as they may be leading you toward the realization of your desires. Trust your intuition and take inspired action when it aligns with the manifestation process. Living from the end also involves practicing gratitude for the manifestation of your desires, even before they have fully materialized. Express heartfelt gratitude for the progress, small victories, and signs of alignment that you observe along the way. Gratitude not only amplifies your positive emotions, but also attracts more reasons to be grateful. Consistency is key to living from the end. Make it a daily practice to remind yourself of your desired reality and consciously align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with it. Surround yourself with visual reminders, such as vision boards or affirmations, to keep your focus on your desired outcome. It is important to note that living from the end does not mean ignoring present circumstances or denying the work required to achieve your desires. It is about shifting your perspective and operating from a place of alignment, trust, and inspired action while recognizing the steps you need to take to bring your desires into physical reality. One of Neville Goddard's most powerful techniques for prayer and manifestation is the use of I am affirmations. I am is a phrase associated with the divine presence within us and represents our true essence. Goddard believed that by consciously using I am affirmations, we align ourselves with our desired reality and activate the creative power within us. Begin by selecting an I am affirmation that reflects the state of being you wish to manifest. For example, if you desire perfect health, you could affirm, I am vibrant and healthy in every way. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Repeat your chosen I am affirmation silently or aloud with conviction and feeling. Visualize yourself embodying the qualities or experiences associated with the affirmation. Feel the emotions that arise from truly believing in the truth of the statement. Allow the energy of the affirmation to permeate your being. It is important to note that Goddard emphasized the present tense in I am affirmations. By affirming in the present, you are declaring that your desired reality already exists within you and is unfolding in your life right now. This mindset is crucial in activating the manifestation process. Consistency is key when using I am affirmations. Make it a daily practice to repeat your chosen affirmations several times a day, especially in moments of doubt or uncertainty. By consistently affirming your desired reality, you reinforce the belief and impress it upon your subconscious mind. Goddard also advised avoiding contradicting thoughts or statements that may undermine your affirmation. Whenever negative or limiting thoughts arise, consciously replace them with the positive I am affirmation. Reframe any doubts or fears into statements that support your desired reality. Remember that the purpose of I am affirmations is not to deceive yourself or deny current circumstances, but to shift your focus and beliefs towards what you wish to create. As you persistently and sincerely practice this technique, you will align yourself with the vibration of your desires and open the door for their manifestation. Neville talked multiple times in his lectures and books about the significance of persistence and faith in the manifestation process. Once you have established a clear vision of your desire and regularly practice the techniques mentioned above, it is crucial to maintain your faith in its realization. Trust that the universe is working in your favor even when external circumstances seem challenging. Continue to visualize and affirm your desire, allowing the feeling of faith to permeate your consciousness. By persistently holding onto your vision and maintaining unwavering faith, you reinforce the power of your prayers and enhance the manifestation process. I hope I delivered a very detailed analysis of this method of prayer by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.